Complete math vocabulary, parts of a fraction and its common names. Fraction. A number that represent a part of a whole. Fraction is written in form of ratio wherein the numerator and the denominator are separated with a fraction bar. Numerator. The top number of a fraction that indicates the part of a whole. Denominator. The bottom number of a fraction that indicates the total number of parts. Fraction bar. A line used to separate the numerator and the denominator of a fraction. Whole as a fraction. This is one whole. The whole circle is filled in. Halves as a fraction. One part is called 1/2. Two equal parts make a whole. Thirds as a fraction. One part is called 1/3. Three equal parts make a whole. Fourths as a fraction. One part is called 1/4. Four equal parts make a whole. Fifths as a fraction. One part is called 1/5. Five equal parts make a whole. Sixths as a fraction. One part is called 1/6. Six equal parts make a whole. Sevenths as a fraction. One part is called 1/7. Seven equal parts make a whole. Eighths as a fraction. One part is called 1/8. Eight equal parts make a whole. Now, let's proceed to our fraction quiz. Can you ace this math test? Let's go! Number 1. Three-fourths. Number 2. Four-eighths. Number 3. One-fourth. Number 4. Four-sevenths. Number 5. One-fifth. Number 6. Six-eighths. Number 7. Seven-ninths. Number 8. One-half. Number 9. Two-fourths. Number 10. One-third. How many correct answers did you get? Comment your score.